Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you guys a quick video to how you can see saved Wi-Fi password in your non-rooted Android device. But first, I wanna thank each and everyone who subscribed to my channel because I got 1k subscribers. So thank you for support my channel guys. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe for more cool videos. Okay guys, first thing you have to connect it to a Wi-Fi network. I'm already connected to your Wi-Fi network, as you can see. Connected. Now you have to download an app called Router Setup Page from the Play Store. Just open your Play Store. In the search box, type Router Setup Page. I'm already given a link in the description to this app. Just click on that link. Now as you can see, the top one is that is a router setup page made by OC apps. Just click on install. As you can see, this is 1.5 megabytes, so no need to worry about the size, and it won't ask you any root access. Now just click on open. Now there is two options. One is press to update IP, another one is open router setup page. You have to click on the second one, that is open router setup page. In the down you can see that username and password is admin. Select any browser. I am going with Chrome, as you wish. It will connect it to your router setup page. It will ask you a password, and for someone it will ask you username also. Type it as admin for both username and password. In my case, it will ask me for passwords, so I'm just admin. Okay. Here just go to your wireless settings and go down to your wireless security, and down you can see that there is a option for key, and this is my password, and that's it guys. And if you want to know the saved Wi-Fi password without any downloading apps, and give a link in the description. Just click on that and it will automatically connected to your Wi-Fi router setup page, and you can give the password as admin, and you can also find the password in that way. And thanks for watching guys, and please click like if you like the video and subscribe it to my channel.